YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Cash App withdrawal field. So guys, first of all, check the internet connection and the app status. Ensure your Wi-Fi and the mobile store is strong, and try switching between Wi-Fi and the cellular data, and restart your mobile device to clear the temporary glitch. Then verify linked bank account and the card details. So guys, sometime incorrect or the outdated bank account and debit card information can prevent successful withdrawals. So open Cash App and tap the option of banking and select the linked bank to view your connected account, and double check the routing and the account number for the accuracy. Tap the linked debit card and verify the card number and expiry date. Remove and relink your bank account or debit card if details seem incorrect, and ensure your bank account is active and in good standing. Confirm Cash App balance and limit. Check your current cash balance on home screen. Ensure you have the enough funds to recover the withdrawal amount. Tap your profile icon and select the support to find the limit details. Verify your identity within the app to potentially increase the limit. Attempt a smaller withdrawal if you suspect a limit issues. Update Cash App and the phone OS. So outdated app version or the operating system can lead to compatibility issues and bugs. Then go to your device app store, Google Play Store and the App Store, and search for the Cash App and check for any available update. Install the latest version of the Cash App if one is pending. Then navigate to your phone setting and check for the OS update. Then download and install any available system update for your device and restart your phone after updating both the app and the iOS.